Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I am going to show you how to fix Duende identity server related errors when if you are not configured the login sections. So when we click on the login button, then you will see that that is the type of error message will have. Please call AddTestUsers.Users on the identity server builder in a startup or remove the TestUserStore from the account controller. So how to configure that in if you are using Duende Identity Server 6.0. So first of all, must to configure that identity server with the sign-in manager, role manager as usual. So just remove this error by using, first of all, the test user will be commented, that is the TestUserStore, and you can use these types of code. Use these types of code, that is user manager with the application user, application sign-in manager, role manager, and application DB context. So here we have. Now after that, as a dependency injection, you have to inject it into the constructor. So just inject it into the constructor and also make comment it here. Okay, so oops, make the comment, and here we go, and you can use it. Okay, so the next task is to comment in the inside it here, that is the user, and uncomment, I mean to say that inject as a dependency injection user manager, sign-in manager, and role manager. And after that, just go for the onPost method, and here we go for model state.isValid. And if you have in the model state.isValid, there is a user validate credentials, input username, input passwords is there. So there is no need to write here to do something. So just make that comment first of all, and write the code for the sign-in manager dot password sign-in as sync. And after that, you have to pass input.username dot password dot remember login dot logout on features, that is false. And if it is valid, then you can say that result dot valid, I mean to say that result dot valid, then you can say that where user, just find the user context dot application user dot first dot default x username dot to lower as usual. You can say that input dot username dot to lower, that is succeed. After that, you have to raise the event.raise asynchronous, and just call this raise event method, login success username by user ID and the username client ID, like that. And after that, you have to use, instead of user.subject ID, you can pass just ID right here. There we have username instead of username. So just pass it here. So everything is fine. Now in the is URL is fine, redirect URL is fine, the else URL is fine. Now everything goes right. You can say there is model state.isValid. So inside it, model state.valid. So you have to say that. So, and you can say that this is the fine. So the code is result await sign-in manager and validate username password against in-memory storage. So remove this, and so there is no need of the comments, actually use it here. So okay, everything is fine. So now the save this and run, start it again. You will see that your bug is fixed easily by doing this. When we click on to hit this URL, when we hit to URL like that, we'll show that this is the admin.gmail.com. This is the URL, and redirect to the again that is hello admin. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core.